As I begin this painting, I await the message that is coming through me and to me and onto the painting. This looks like a heart is forming as my hands glide with the painting process. I can feel the color and the emotions that are coming through. I can see the two faces appearing, one on either side. What is the message that is forming? Divided heart. A reflection of the inner conflict we all face at times. A heart pulled in two directions, torn between doubt and certainty, love and fear, stillness and chaos. The two faces on either side symbolize the voices within. The mind versus the heart, the ego versus the soul. One voice whispers, hold on, while the other says, let go. One seeks comfort, the other craves change. Caught in the middle, the heart bears the tension, stretched and strained, longing for unity. Have you ever felt this way? Standing at a crossroads, feeling like part of you is being pulled towards something new, while another part clings to the familiar? It's in these moments of inner division that we experience the most stress and anxiety. The heart, our true compass, knows what we desire. The mind, filled with fears, doubts, and past conditioning, resists. This battle between head and heart creates confusion, exhaustion, and even emotional pain. A call to awareness as a spiraling vortex emerges from the heart space, swirling upward, wrapping around both sides. This is not destruction. This is transformation. This spiral represents energy and motion, the flow of emotions and the journey of healing. It is a reminder that conflict is not meant to break us. It is meant to awaken us, to call us to awareness, to challenge us to listen, to reflect, and to realign with our true path. So how do we heal a divided heart? It starts with stillness, with deep listening, with the courage to trust what we feel rather than just what we think. The heart is never truly confused, only the mind is. The heart speaks in whispers, in emotions, in deep knowing. But when we silence our inner wisdom with fear and overthinking, we create a battle within ourselves. The real question is, what do you truly want? What is your heart guiding you toward? For empowerment, release resistance and embrace wholeness. As resistance is the source of suffering, the more we fight against what we already know deep down, the more divided we feel. The moment we surrender, the moment we say, I trust myself, the tension dissolves. The heart becomes whole again. The path forward becomes clear. And the weight of doubt, stress, and anxiety begins to lift. For realignment, when you feel torn, when your heart feels divided, take a deep breath and fill your lungs to capacity. Place your hands over your heart, close your eyes, and listen. Release the need to force, to control, to overanalyze. Trust that the answers are already within. Let go of the struggle. Realign with your truth. You were never meant to live in conflict. You were meant to live in harmony, in wholeness, and in love of the self. Your heart already knows the way. It's time to follow it for internal peace and wholeness. Do it and watch your magic happen.